see anything like this. Have you? Get it! Can't believe this. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, I think it's coming in the house. That's a golf ball. We're going to send this to channel box 25. Harvey got to see this. Lightning, thunder, buggy, and cold. Off all sides. Jana, what's going off? Jana, what was that? Porch. Oh my God, that is snow, ice. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. It went from muggy to cold in seconds. That means a cold front hit up. Muggy all day too today. That's what I like before in my life. Yeah, looking over Roxbury Foothill. Crazy weather. This stuff only has in Texas. Incredible. Wow. Holy cow. What's going on out here? My phone's getting destroyed. Well, I bet there's so many accidents out there right now. Poor buggers. So, in the last, this happened all within 5 minutes. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. 5 minutes. Crazy weather. Yeah. Oh my God. Something got hit. That lightning. Never heard anything lightning like that before in my life. Ooh. Mother Nature. Been here with all my life since I was a boy. We're into 6 minutes now. Golf ball size. I'm gonna pick one up here. Wow. Okay. Wow. That's come out of the sky. Oh my god. Oh my god. They have to be this. These are golf ball size. When they say golf ball size, this is a golf ball size. Guys, see that? Look at that. Wow. Wow. 7 minutes into this. 7 minutes. Thought this was supposed to hit Worcester. Tornado watch in Worcester. Standing up as a golf. Okay. Watch this. Oh my fucking god. Oh! Getting out of here. God damn it. Go! Oh! Ah. Oh boy. Get inside, Paul.
You're still alive? I just turned that off. I think it's overcooking.
7 minutes. You should see the golf balls. I should see them. Wait till you see this. Janet, the size of golf balls. I had them in my hand. The lightning just seemed different time. Yeah, wow. Guess this is what happens when. Where? Oh my god, it came in the house. Oh my god.
Tamara said, oh, those are nothing. I guess out in South Dakota where she comes from, she sees this all the time.
Wow.
She said they're tiny. There's nothing.
No, they're not tiny. It's the size of a golf ball. It's an ice cube. A little bigger than an ice cube.
A little small.
I'm putting that in my drink. Gotta have a drink now. No, I don't drink soda.